Fubara withdraws from Tinubu'S peace accord, declares Wike Assembly faction non-existence. The River State Governor Simdalahi Fubara has made a bold declaration regarding the Martin Amewili-led House of Assembly. According to the governor, the factional assembly is deemed as floating and non-existent, lacking the necessary authority to make legislative decisions that hold any legal weight in the state. This declaration comes in light of the defection from a state during party PDP to APC. Governor Fubara delivered the statement during a courtesy visit by a delegation of traditional rulers and opinion leaders from Bayelsa State, led by Senator Sierra Dixon, the former governor of the state, at Port Harcourt on Monday. I accepted it because these were people that have eaten in my house and have assisted pay their children's school fee even when I have not become the governor, stated Governor Fubara. His lighting his personal connection with the members of the factional assembly. Despite the outgoing agreements, the governor expressed his belief in the possibility of reconciliation in the future. However, he felt it was necessary to make a statement clarifying that the factional assembly holds no tangible existence in the present. Governor Fubara acknowledged that the sacrifices made to ensure peace during this crisis, noting his supporters continue to face harassment and intimidation on a daily basis. Nevertheless, he has maintained restraint as a mature leader, recognizing that an atmosphere of discourse hinders meaningful development. With our intentions to build on the foundation laid by our past leaders for River State, I cannot afford to engage in crisis. This is why we continue to witness and record the development that you are witnessing in the state, Governor Fubara affirmed. Background: attempt to initiate impeachment process against Governor Sim Fubara of Rivers State by the House of Assembly resulted into crisis as it divided the House of Assembly into two factions, while 27 of the 31 are loyal to the former Governor Wike. Others are with the incumbent governor. Governor Fubara, accompanied by some aides, were tear gassed by the police while visiting the complex to assess the level of damage caused by the explosion. As a result, the state lawmakers have split into two factions, the faction led by Mr. Wike and the second faction loyal to Governor Fubara. Martin Amewile is the speaker of Mr. Wike's faction, while Edison Ehie, a former leader of the assembly who was removed for not supporting Governor Fubara's impeachment, is the speaker of the faction loyal to Mr. Fubara's faction. The two factions have repeatedly held parallel sittings at different locations in Port Harcourt. Lawmakers defected. The lawmakers who are said to be loyal to Nyesom Wike, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory (FCT), held a plenary session at about 8 a.m. on Monday, 11th December 2023, where the decision was taken on tight security at the entrance of the Assembly complex in Port Harcourt, the state capital. Governor Fubara refused to recognize them as legal assembly members, stating that at defection they have lost legal authority. He rather recognized Honorable Edison Ehie-led faction. The crisis continued until the President Tinubu intervened by meeting with the FCT Minister Wike and Governor Sim Fubara in what's regarded as a presidential accord. PDP kicked. PDP legal advisor Ajibade, while addressing newsmen shortly after the Justice Donatus Okoronkwo of the Federal High Court Abuja adjourned the embattled lawmakers' suit until January the 24th, 2024, said the People's Democratic Party as a party, we are standing on the side of the Constitution of the country. It is not about issues of an agreement because by the Constitution we are all sworn in to uphold. The governor himself sworn to uphold the constituency. Likewise, the president. I am not against the president calling for the resolution of the matter. He is the chief security officer of this country and he has every right to intervene on the issue. According to the senior lawyer, aside from the constitution of the country is very clear, Section 109 1G is clear as to issues of detection, adding that the affected lawmakers had not denied that they had defected. Why would defected? According to a member of the River State House of Assembly loyal to Wike, Enemy Alabo. He explained why 27 People's Democratic Party lawmakers defected to the All Progressive Congress (APC) while appearing on Channel TV on Politics Today in December 2023. He said, "We have a division in the People Democratic Party. We have cases in court concerning the secretariatship of a party. We desperately tried to reach the secretariat of a party, and we could not. As I speak to you, I cannot tell you who the secretary of my party is," the lawmaker said. Why reason for the defection may not hold water. In 2014, the Supreme Court fully buttressed the constitutional provision of Section 1091G in the case of Honorable Ife Dayo Sunday Agbegunde versus Ondo State House of Assembly 2014 LPELR 236A3. The Apex Court declared the appellant seat vacant after the appellant, a member of the House of Representatives, decamped from the Labour Party (LP) to the Action Congress of Nigeria (APC) on the basis of fractionalization of a party at a state level. The court ruled that only a division that makes it possible for a party to function can provide the basis for a legislature defection, hence the appellant loses his seat. What did the Constitution say about defection? Section 1091 of the 1999 Constitution has literally covered the scenario as it provides in paragraph G. Thus, a member of a House of Assembly shall vacate his seat, and the House of Assembly was sponsored by a political party. He becomes a member of another political party before the expiration of the period for which that House was elected, provided that his membership of the latter political party is not as a result of a division in the political party of which he was previously a member of a merger of two or more political parties or factions by one of which she was previously sponsored. Now that Governor Fubara has stated that they are non-existent, what happens? Can Wike Assembly factions survive this? Are they going to be a majority without legal authority like what in Edo recently? Will the case be that of Honorable Ogbonna-led majority House of Assembly faction in Enugu State during the crisis against Governor Nnamani? It is this their fight. Don't turn to another thing. No. I've been saying it, don't turn to another thing. Fubara should realize that Tinubu 2027 is paramount here and should measure the war. All this attack on Fubara is to maintain Jagaban mandates come 2027. Amici, Atiku and others are working hard with Fubara to destroy the mandates. It will be tough. It will be a tough fight. The only solution to this problem is peaceful settlement. When there is no peace, there will be no progress. Every second counts. I expected you to take your stand because you are the governor. No one else. We cannot detect for you. Take charge. Alright. Nigeria politicians are inhuman, so I don't comment on ghosts and demonic cafes. Not be small ghosts and demonic. Alright, on this note, I've come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen until I come your way next time. Enjoy the rest of your day.